So we're going to find an equation for the tangent line to y equals 2 over t at some point. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to plug this in now to what I just found. So I found that y prime is equal to my negative 2 over t squared. So what I can go ahead and do now is I can use the x value or the t value in this scenario and plug it in. So y prime is equal to negative 2 over 3 squared, which is negative 2 over 9. So that's going to be my slope. So now I've got a point and I've got my slope. So I can use point slope form. So I'm going to do y2 minus y1, which is 2/3, is equal to my slope, negative 2/9, times x2 minus my x1, which is 3. So I can go ahead here. So I'm just going to leave this as the equation of my line. You could multiply it out if you really wanted to. It's up to you. You would get y2 minus 2/3 equals negative 2 over 9. And then I'm just going to change these to just x and y at this point because there's only just one of them. And last piece here is negative 2/9 times negative 3. That's going to end up being plus 2/3. So I add 2/3 to the other side. And I get y is equal to negative 2/9 x plus 4/3. And that's only if you really wanted to put it there. Up here, this is perfect. I would leave it just like that.